Shout out Miss Raindrop, man. We about to jump into this girls' night video. Shout out 614 all the way to Atlanta, man. Let's do it, man. Let's see what she got going on. Visual look crazy already, man. I'm fucking with it, see? It's what a lot of you artists don't have, man. It's good visuals.
It's been a long week. Tonight I ain't getting no sleep.
Oh.
I'ma have me a girl.
You got me. You got me off top. Let's go back. It was about 5, 6 in that one scene. You got me. Slumber party. Yeah, let's go. Hit the flame with it. Hey, shout out Miss Raindrop. Shout out Miss Raindrop. They be hating on you, baby. Do your thing. You know, I've been supporting you since day one. Do your thing. Yeah, do your thing. Have fun with it, too. Because I don't see nothing wrong with winning. People always got something to say where you from, though. But when you doing your shit and it speak for itself, let them haters be mad, yo. That's my message to all artists up and coming. Do your motherfucking thing, man. Because if your shit don't look like hers and you out there hating on her, shut the fuck up. That's anybody, though. Hey, I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with this one. It's a vibe, though. You feel me? The visual clean as hell. Hey. Do your thing.
Cold ass bitch, I know I make them hella sick. Niggas in my clique, but all of them irrelevant. Got these bitches really mad, cause I'm in my fucking bag. Hopped in the Audi coupe, 200 on the dash. Pink slip, got the 30-day paper tag. For racks to riches, I'm counting up digits.
You know, I'm sitting here listening to you, you feel me? I had to take a break and listen to what you were saying real quick, like,
Tonight I ain't getting no sleep.
man, do your motherfucking thing, Raindrop. Keep leveling up, you feel me?
It's been a long week. Tonight I ain't
You know what I'm saying? Make that music that's gonna hit them airwaves. That's all that matter at the end of the day.
I'ma have me a girl's night.
Hey. One thing I could say about this motherfucking video is, shit. It's shit, motherfucker. Hey, it's shit. It wasn't no motherfucking men in this motherfucker like that, nigga. It was all women. I can appreciate the fuck out of this video for that. It was called Girls Night, and it was all fucking women in that motherfucker, man. The visual was dope, too, and it was clean as fuck. That shit was shot in, like, 4K. You can tell. Shit looked HD clearer than a motherfucker. Ooh, man. Overall video, man, I'm going to give Raindrop, man, it's a nice little, that's a nice visual. You know what I'm saying? Dope little song. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a 4.5 on you. 4.5 out of 5 on that one, man. Cause the visual was clean as fuck, man. I appreciate the motherfucking shot in the beginning when she called all the homegirls and it jumped to all the screens and shit. You know what I'm saying? So I can appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? It's a dope video. Go support it. The original video is in the description. You know, go slap some love on her comments. Follow her. Do all that good shit. You know where you seen it first, man. Mr. 365. We promo USA. Hit that motherfucking subscribe button and that notification button so you get the motherfucking videos first. Yeah.